Which of the postulates explain the fact that the gases expand and occupy all the space available to them? We know kinetic theory of gases, postulates of kinetic theory of gases. So, the actual volume of the molecule is negligible in comparison to the total volume. So, a gas consists of large number of identical particles which are atoms or molecules, and that are very small. So, the actual volume of the molecule is negligible in comparison to the empty space between them. So, they are considered as point masses. So, this point explains the compressibility of the gases. Okay, the first point explains the compressibility of the gases. This explains that the gases are compressible. Now, next point is there is no force of attraction between the particles of a gas at ordinary temperature and pressure. Because there is no force of attraction between the gas molecules, this postulate explains the fact that the gases expand and occupy all the available space. The gases expand and occupy all the available space. So, this should be your answer. Now, let us see next one. Collisions of the gas molecules are not elastic. So, collisions of gas molecules are perfectly elastic. Actually, according to kinetic theory of gases, collisions of gas molecules are perfectly elastic. Means there is no loss of kinetic energy during collisions, or there is no loss of energy during collisions. And the average kinetic energy of gas molecules is directly proportional to absolute temperature. This postulate option D is also correct, but what they asked, the question given is which of the following postulates explain the fact that gases expand and occupy all the space available. If there are no intermolecular forces of attraction between the gas molecules, they can expand and occupy all the space available. That should be your answer.